Tired of empty feeders? Let's fix that, fast. First, pick the right feeder. Tube for finches, platform for jays. Second, choose food that fits the birds. Black oil sunflower seeds are a crowd pleaser. Third, place feeders near cover, 3 feet from windows to avoid collisions. Fourth, keep feeders clean. Rotate seed to stop mold and pests. Try one change this week and watch your bird list grow. Want a quick setup checklist? Hit follow for more backyard bird hacks.